toenails, it means it's systemic. It's in your bloodstream, it's there. So it takes a lot more than just putting a little bit of tea tree oil and pau d'arco. Yeah, we can get rid of it for a little time being, but we need to treat the whole body with the diet modifications as well as trying to get rid of the yeast. Interesting enough too, as a side note, the people that tend to have higher yeast will get salmonella poisoning quicker, food words, and flu much easier. It really draws down. So, good multivitamin, high in B vitamins, good extra amount of ester C, which is a vitamin C that stays in the body a good 12 to 24 hours. We're trying to boost the immune system and the body being able to identify a friend from a foe. And since most people's diet doesn't contain these types of vitamins in good wholesome amounts, the good multiple vitamin, I'm not talking from the grocery store, I'm talking a good multiple vitamin, along with some ester C really can help. In addition, interestingly enough, the ester Cs are natural antihistamine, and since most people that have yeast have more allergies, this can also help with the allergies. Essential fatty acids. Now, what's really interesting, and I ran across a lot of good research, and we know that they help with blood sugars, inflammatory response, and cholesterol, and a lot of other things. Flax oil, fish oils, and certain types of, especially like almonds, they actually prevent the fungus from causing cellular DNA, RNA damage. So those people out there who are eating a lot of good fats in their diet, be it the nuts like almonds or avocados, fish, and in my case flax oil, sesame oils, there's all those types of good fatty acids really help your RNA, DNA. It protects it and protects those healthy cells from yeast and bacterial damage as well too. Oxygen drops. Boy, I know these have a lot of different usages, and there's different ones. Cell food, there's oxygen. I mean, you can look and you can get food grade types of oxygen. And what this basically does is it destroys the fungus, because fungus does not like helps as you're oxygenating. It helps the body detoxify. On the same premise, you can add things in that are high in oxygen. Now, wholesome good greens and things like that, chlorella, spirulina, those things that induce oxygenation can also help the body fight off the yeast and preserve the good bacteria. Unlike the nystatins, which destroy all the good stuff in there as well, and then everything goes back to normal as far as having issues with yeast. Quercetin and bromelain. We get a lot of people with yeast that got a little itchy and they get hypersensitive and things like that. When we combine the ester C with quercetin and bromelain, it really does help the inflammatory response and the allergic response to this yeast that we seem to be replicating at phenomenal levels in this country. There are lots and lots of other supplements that work. Caprylic acid, coconut oil that you can do on a daily basis, especially coconut oil on a nice piece of whole grain toast. There's other things that you can do to help maintain and get rid of yeast dietary wise, but I've kind of given you just a synopsis of basically what I know is most common. I hope that helps you. Next, we're going to be moving on to the fitness portion of our show. Thank you very much.